Hey everyone, it's Alexis here and welcome back to my Florist YouTube channel. So in today's video, I've got a really exciting announcement that I have been really trying to hold back these past couple of months. I've been in the works of something really exciting and I'm going to share it with you guys today. I'm also going to be processing some flowers that I got for some Florist Academy videos that I'm planning on filming today, as well as some regular videos on my channel here. So there's going to be some flower tutorials coming your way. So I'm excited for that, but today I'm going to share with you guys an announcement that I've been holding back. So I'm excited for that. So without further ado, let's process these flowers and I am going to share the news. All right, guys, so I am going to, I guess, start with the roses. I don't know, I just feel like starting with roses. All the flowers that I got today I did get from the grocery store, just because these flowers that I use for my videos, like, they don't really go anywhere afterwards. Like, I usually end up just using them for my house, and I don't know, I don't really want them to go to waste. So I really only get like good quality flowers when I'm doing like my weddings and my events. But other than that, if I'm just doing like YouTube videos for you guys, I go to the grocery store to save money. I'm going to be using this rose stripper, and I'll link my tools that I use in the description box below, so that way you can get yourself some good florist tools as well. But yeah, so I'm just going to start by cleaning off my rose. You want to remove any thorns, leaves. I'm going to set that aside in a done pile. But yes, guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys an announcement. So we all know that I love flowers, whatever. I am really excited to say that I'm going to be participating in the Philadelphia Flower Show this year. I have been holding this back for the past couple of months. I want to say I found out in October, so I have known for a while now, and we've just been like planning and stuff, trying to get things together. But yeah, so I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about that today. Oh no, he broke. Okay, well, yeah, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about that today. So yes, I will be participating in the Philadelphia Flower Show this year. Very, very excited for that. So I don't know if you guys saw when I went to Atlanta last year in March, I went to the first ever Black Girl Florist Conference. And this year we are actually teaming up and we're going to be all participating in the flower show. So all the ladies that I met at that conference, I would say like maybe 10 or 15 of us are going to be meeting at Philadelphia, and we're all going to be participating in making a really big giant flower installation for the flower show. I am so excited to do this, guys. This is exactly what I wanted. I really wanted to like participate in the flower show. I just didn't really know how to go about it. It's also like really intimidating making something that big by yourself. Like, I wasn't really sure like how to do it. Like, I knew if I wanted to be in the flower show, I would need a team. So I'm excited that I'm going to be working with a group of amazing women here. So I will link their accounts and all their Instagrams and stuff description box. You guys can follow them, check them out. I will talk a little bit about the design. I'm not gonna like go too in depth because I don't know if I'm allowed to do that, but all right, so once you're done with the roses, you're just gonna wanna get all of them on the same height and level and give them a chop. I actually think I'm gonna put my roses in these buckets right here. All right, so you just wanna get all your roses on the same height on the table and just give them a teeny chop. Let's just stick these guys in water. All right, so yes, I will be participating in the flower show this year. So if you want to come to the flower show and see the exhibit, I will be there the first couple of days. So the flower show this year is from March 4th to the 12th. So I will be there, let me see, I'm actually going to be there on the 3rd as well, because they're having like a little pre-opening. But yeah, so I will be there, I'm thinking the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, and then I will be there again on the 14th to help clean up. But if you guys want to maybe meet me, take a look at the exhibit, and also take a look at our big installation piece that we worked on, I would love to meet you guys. So if you're in the Philadelphia area during that time, I highly recommend to check out the flower show. So a little bit about the flower show. So the Philadelphia Flower Show is actually the first flower show ever and it's been going on since like the 1800s. So this has been like a tradition for the last like 200 years, and it's kind of crazy. So I'm like so excited to be a part of something like this. And it's also really important that we, just as like Black florists and Black women in general, that we try to get our voice out there more, because I gotta be honest, I don't really know a ton of Black florists and creators. So it's important to like know who you are, like get your name out there, get your face out there. I'm hoping that after this whole experience that we will create a name for ourselves. All right, I'm gonna start with these yellow roses next. These are nice and pretty. I've literally seen so many roses these past couple weeks. So not Mother's Day, Valentine's Day just passed. It's February, 17th today that I'm making this video on. So I'm like fresh off of Valentine's Day. Like I'm definitely really tired, but I'm making these videos for you guys because I have a commitment. All right, so we are just gonna remove all of the cardboard. So the theme this year for the flower show is going to be Garden Electric. So we're gonna play up that idea, and we're gonna be adding a lot of like neon lights. We're gonna be adding like LED lights, just things that are really showy. Our big plan is to incorporate like a lot of bright colors. So we're gonna be working with like the psychedelic colors. We chose to do like bright pinks, purples, blues, a little bit of splash of yellow here and there. We each got assigned like a different section of the installation to create. So I'm going to be creating a purple barrel arrangement that is going to spill out into like a big pond. So I'm in charge of that whole thing. Not gonna lie, I'm a little intimidated just because I have never created anything that big before. But I do think that this is going to give me the experience that I need and the confidence to create bigger things in the future. So a big thing with this is that we actually were given a grant to come to the flower show. So we ended up getting, oh no, look at these roses. Oh, okay. Well, that's actually pretty gross. Let me see if any other ones are like that. Yeah, so we did get a grant for the flower show, so we actually have a budget of $50,000. I know 50K sounds like a lot of money, but in flower world, like it's really not that much, because the reality is like these roses cost like $2 a stem. So if I'm creating like a giant installation, like you're gonna need a lot of roses, a lot of flowers. I would say all the other vendors got like a nice like square area to design in, but we've got like a 10 by 60 foot space that we're going to be doing our big flower installation piece in. So like that's actually really a lot of space that we have to cover. So we had to create a design that would move more like horizontally. So that's something to keep in mind when you do come see our installation. Another challenge with our installation is that it actually is going to be seen on all four sides. So some of the other vendors that are going to be there, other florists, are lucky because they only have to show like 2/3 of their side, or they don't have to show it all the way around. But we are in all the way around designs. If you guys have never been to the flower show or even heard of the flower show, I do have some videos on my channel that I'll link in the description box, so that way you can take a look at the previous year's flower shows. So I usually just do like a flower show walkthrough video where I like go through the exhibit and I tell people like, ooh, like look at these flowers, like look at this arrangement. But this year, guys, I'm actually going to be like in it. I'm going to be making it, and I'm going to be designing it. This larkspur, that's really nice. That's really shady. I like this. So set that open. And then I found this really nice astrantia. This is beautiful. Like, look at this. Yeah. This is going to be pretty. Oh, it actually smells really bad. So for this year, for my flower show video, so like the past couple of years, I've kind of just like done like a walkthrough and shown like all the exhibit, who did what, how they created it. But this year, I'm actually going to take you guys behind the scenes of the flower show, and I'm going to make a video. So there's going to be two videos. So the first video is going to be like the behind the scenes setup. You're gonna watch the whole installation come to life pretty much. You're gonna meet the girls, you're gonna meet me, you're gonna watch us create it, take it down, all that. So that's gonna be the first video. And then the second video is gonna be me actually walking through all the exhibits like I do in the previous year's videos, where I just kind of like showcase everyone's work. So yeah, so that's gonna be really fun. I'm excited to share and show you guys that. And I know the girls are also really excited too. All right, I also got this really nice wax flower. I actually got this stuff from Trader Joe's because I find that Trader Joe's just has like the best flowers ever. Like they have so much nice stuff. Like the one in my area just has like the best quality of flowers that you could ask for. So, and for the low, like I got, hold up, look at this. I got this beautiful bunch of Ranunculus for $6.50. This same bunch of Ranunculus at my flower wholesaler would have cost me like $17 to $25. Enough of me fangirling about the flower quality, but yes guys, flower show this year, come check it out. I'll be there. So again, so from March 3rd to the 7th, that's when I'll be there. So I'll be there for 4 days. You can catch me there from like, I'd say 11 to 4 or 5 in the afternoon. I'll be posting on my YouTube and on my Instagram, like the times that I'm there, the days that I'm there. So if you want to meet me, love to meet you. I'd love to see you guys and get involved. This is really cool because like once I learned how to make these big installation pieces and like have it down, like I'll make videos and teach you guys how to do the same thing. Like the love always comes back, never forget. I'm here to help you guys. So once I learn how to do something, like I'm quick to make a video and teach the rest of the world. Oh, pretty. Yes, these are gonna be really nice. So now that my hands are completely disgusting and I've ruined the table, I'm actually gonna start making my flower arrangement videos. So thank you guys for sticking around and watching my announcement and also helping me process these flowers. I appreciate having you there and being able to talk to you guys, even though you guys aren't physically there. It's kind of just nice to chit chat. So I got to make some more chit chat videos like this. This is fun. I like doing this. I feel like a real YouTuber when I'm like up here just talking about my life. So thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to check out the videos that I make using these flowers. Those are going to be coming up next. So I will see you all in my next video. Bye.